Alright guys, so I finally did it. I went ahead and ordered those new tires for my Gravely Compact Pro 34. And I'm hoping this upgrade to these wider tires is gonna fix this rut issue that I've been dealing with. So this is the before shot. As you can see, the old tires, they really remind me of like four-wheeler tires, the way they're sort of rounded. And these new tires are, to me, they look a lot flatter. I could be wrong, but I know they're definitely wider by a few inches. And you can just see how skinny this tire is. Now these tires, these are a direct replacement for the Compact Pro 44. And the only difference is it's the same exact rim and tire, they just have a different offset. So instead of, a wider tire would usually rub on the inside, you don't have to worry about that here. And it should just be a direct bolt-on. Only thing I'm concerned about is the tire being a little shorter or higher, and then I'm gonna have to readjust the deck. That way it cuts level, but we'll find out when we get there. Other thing, these tires were, I believe, $130 a piece. So you're looking at about $260 to upgrade these. And these are the original tires that come off the 44. These aren't like aftermarket ones that you can get on eBay or Amazon. Here's what they look like outside of the plastic. As you can see, it's got a wider offset. This should help with not only the ruts, but also if you do any fast turns, it always tears up the grass with these tires. I'm not sure why. I'm also not sure what I'm gonna do with those tires yet. I can't figure out if I want to sell them or just keep them as a backup, but I really hate to ever put them back on this mower. I was hoping to use my regular jack, but this is really the only point that I can see to jack it on. As you can see up here, that's all just thin metal. Oh yeah. And I mean, you can see right here, it does really not even stick out that far past the deck. So I mean, I was really worried about it, being like this far out. But it's really not even coming that far past the deck. And you can see, compared to the other ones, just how skinny that tire is. And it's in line with the deck, but there you have it. And you can see in here that there's not going to be any rub on the frame. Same on this side. Plenty of space. Yeah, really excited about this. This is probably something that I should have done when I first bought the mower. Yeah, just a huge upgrade, and it really didn't cost that much money. $130 a piece. You're getting the tire and the rim, and I bought it, direct from the lawnmower shop. Here's that tire size, 20.5 by 8 by 10. Like I said, you get these from your lawnmower shop. They have to special order them from Gravely. That's pretty much it. I appreciate you checking out the video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.